Hi everyone, welcome back. In last video we saw the usage of Git Stash and along with that we saw the demo. So now let's discuss about few more commands related to stash, that is list, drop and pop. So before we start the demo, pop is equivalent to apply plus drop. This is an express command. Now let's see the demo. So I'm going to check the Git status. Here I have one modified file. These are the few lines added to this file. So I will stash this data. So git stash, data has been stashed, it's empty now. And if I wanted to apply back the stash part, or before that let's see the list. So here we have one stash that we can see here. Now if we wanted to apply this stash, so we have to use git stash apply. This command we have already seen in last video and changes are reflecting here. Now if I will again check the stash list, we can see the same stash is still available. So in order to delete this, I have to use drop command. Now after dropping it, if I will again check the list, it is empty now. So in order to use the express command, let's recreate the scenario. We'll again stash the content and we can check we have one stash here, and this time instead of apply and drop I will use pop. So in one time I can apply the changes and drop the stash. Now if I will check the stash list, it is empty. So thanks for watching.